Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to start with FMG Quick Revision 2019 June. So let's get started. Drugs of choice for ventricular tachycardia. So answer is lidocaine or lignocaine. Which immunoglobulin increase in chronic disease? So answer is immunoglobulin G. Next one, normal anion gap is maintained in which condition? Answer is renal tubular acidosis. Next one, fulminant hepatitis is seen which viral infection? So answer is hepatitis E. Drugs of choice for chronic gout is allopurinol, is xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Next one, diagnosis of gout is confirmed by which test? Answer is synovial fluid or urine uric acid test. Next one, what titer can be seen in the rheumatic fever? Answer is ASO, anti-streptolysin titer. Which of the following ulcer is more painful? Answer is fungal ulcer. Causative agent of Whipple's disease, Tropema bipeli. Next one, praziquantel is given for which of the parasitic infection? So answer is schistosomiasis. Next one, most sensitive indicator of iron deficiency anemia. Answer is serum ferritin. Next one, which of the following is the diagnostic marker in pheochromocytoma? Answer is BMA. BMA means vanil mandelic acid. Next one, which of the following is the earliest finding in diabetic nephropathy? Answer is microalbuminuria. Next one, which of the following is the features of retinitis pigmentosa? So answer is atrial attenuation. Next one, what is the action of atropine in a patient with organophosphate poisoning? Answer is anti-muscarinic. Next one, which of the following syndrome is not related to obesity? Answer is Cohen syndrome. Next one, spontaneous abortion is seen in which genetical condition? Answer is trisomy 16. Next one, which is the genotype seen in Turner syndrome? So correct answer is 45 plus XO. If radius of vein becomes double, blood flow will be increased by how many times? Answer is 16 times. Smoking is most common risk factor for which type of emphysema? Answer is centri acinar. Next one, adequate oxygen is seen in which type of hypoxia? Histotoxic hypoxia. Next one, how much protein percentage of cow milk differ and from human milk? 3 times. Which of the anesthetic agent can cause hepatitis on repeated use? Answer is halothane. Long-standing use of medicine can cause tremor is salbutamol. Next one, what is the precursor of adrenocorticotropic hormone? Cholesterol. What is the most common complication after stripping of varicose vein? Ecchymosis. Pregnancy for how many times will be considered as grand priority? 5. Which adulterant can cause epidemic? Dropsy, argimone, Mexicana oil. Next one, which of the following is the best community health indicator? Answer is IMR. Next one, which drug is contraindicated in corneal ulcer? Answer is steroid. What is the treatment of ranula? Answer is excision of ranula and sublingual gland. Which organ get damaged in seatbelt injury? Answer is mesentery. Or in blunt trauma is spleen. Incidence exposed, incidence non-exposed is the relative risk. Which consequences can be expected after trichum removal? No bleeding. Insulin which can be used in diabetic ketoacidosis? Regular insulin. Next one, treatment of keloid, intralesional triamcinolone. Healthy volunteers participate in which phase of drug trial? Answer is first phase. Which of the following to be done in biomedical based management? Inertization. Which of the following does not cause endometrial cancer? Hypothyroidism. Which of the following is the long acting bronchodilator? Formoterol. 20-week pregnant female with IUD intrauterine device with visible thread come came to hospital anticipation of carrying on which pregnancy. Next step of management is, so answer is keep IUD at place and continue the pregnancy. Which of the following is a mood stabilizer? Answer is lithium. A person was found to have third nerve palsy with contralateral hemiparesis. Answer is Weber syndrome. Which of the following is COX-2 inhibitor? Answer is atoroximab. Is antibodies. A patient came to hospital with the complaint of loss of vision. On examination, fundus was found to be normal. Most probable diagnosis is, answer is retrobulbar neuritis. Next one, which of the following inhibits secretion of prolactin? Answer is dopamine. Aerosol drug used for RSV, respiratory syncytial virus. Correct answer is ribavirin. Next one, a long-acting insulin which does not attain peak concentration in plasma. Answer is glargine. Which anti-epileptic drug has high teratogenic potential? Answer is valproate. Which of the following is shortest acting corticosteroid among the given option? So answer is hydrocortisone. A 20-week pregnant female was having cystitis. What is the antibiotic of choice? Answer is amoxicillin. Drugs of anesthetic depend on which of the following? Answer is BAT. A person taking medication for mental sickness but he is not mentally retarded, he will be considered as a mentally third class. Most common part affected in intestinal TB is ileocecal region. Which of the following is done to study the prevalence? Cross-sectional study. Management of olecrayon fracture is tension and wiring. Greenish colors in putrefaction is due to formation of sulf-metahemoglobin. Jaundice is clinically visible when bilirubin level is more than 3 mg per deciliter. Next.